welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. I know it's been a while, but today I'm gonna share to you another recipe. I'm gonna share today how to make my favorite Choco Butternut donuts.
Choco Butternut donuts are popular donuts of the American donut company Dunkin. If you're craving them and you can find them in your area, try this recipe to satisfy the cravings. It is just easy to make and you can easily find the ingredients as well.
Are you ready? Let's get baking!
The ingredients that we will need are 2 cups plain flour, half cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 cup white sugar, 2/3 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 medium eggs, and 2 cups of milk. For the butternut coating, we will need 1/2 cup of plain flour, half cup white sugar, 1/3 cup unsalted butter, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and orange food coloring. But because I don't have orange food coloring, I'm gonna mix yellow and red food coloring. For the glaze, we will need 1 cup powdered sugar, 1/4 cup milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, pour the milk, melted butter, eggs, vanilla extract, and mix them together. Then add in the white sugar and continue mixing. Now, add the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, and mix them together. And mix them together until well combined. Then, set this aside. Now, pour the mixture into the silicone mold that's been greased with butter. You can directly scoop the mixture onto the silicone mold, or you can use what I'm using to prevent the mess. Then, bake this in a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. While baking, prepare the glaze. In a bowl, add the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. Mix them together until smooth and set this aside. Once the donut is baked, remove it from the oven and tip it over and unmold them. It's easier to unmold them once they're still warm, based on my experience. Then, set this aside to cool down completely before coating. While waiting for the donuts to cool down, prepare the butternut coating. In a pan over medium heat, add the butter, once it has completely melted, add in the food coloring. I added the yellow first, then I add a bit of red food coloring to achieve the orange color that I want. Now, add the white sugar, plain flour, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Mix them together until well combined. Then, remove it from the pan and set this aside to cool down. Now, glaze the donuts and drain the excess before coating it with a butternut coating. By the way, if you want your coating to be finer, you can use the blender to blitz it. Now, Coat the donuts with the butternut coating and repeat the procedure with the remaining donuts. And here's our finished product! Choco Butternut donuts are delicious and perfect for coffee or hot chocolate. And they are very easy to make. I hope you'll give this a try. Look at that!
Thank you for watching, and if there are any recipes that you want to see in the channel, please comment down below. Bye! Try. Here you go. Approve? Approve? Do you like it? Do you like it? More?